So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search for houses with pools here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the bottom left once you have Zillow opened up on your device and press on the search icon. Then once you're on the search screen, which is the screen that's you're seeing right now, go to the top right and press on the filters button or the three vertical lines right beside the search button or the search tab at the top. Press on the filters tab. Then when you're in the filters tab, scroll all the way to the bottom of this screen until you come across an option that says other amenities. I want you to press that drop down menu right here. And if you're looking for houses that with swimming pools, go to the middle option right here to where it says must have pool and then press on that. And once that is done, go to the bottom, press on see results. Now when you're looking for homes here on Zillow, you're only going to be seeing houses or listings with pools at the property. So pretty straightforward, but that is how you guys can search for houses with pools here on Zillow. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.